back to my crochet diaries. This week I have spent crocheting and trying to figure out this crochet top. It's my first time making raglan style crochet garment, kind of like constructing a top using raglan stitch, and especially when it's not just a simple double crochet. I did like, because we're alternating between a V-stitch and this, I don't know what stitch this is. It's like 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. The raglan, this like stitch varies every row you increase, so it gets a little bit complicated. But anyway, I've got a pattern that I'm working on, and that's literally my job, is to try to explain that to the best of my ability and get the sizes right, obviously. I'm so excited because this is like, I don't really usually wear crochet stuff that I make because it's a little bit too out there for my liking. But this, oh my gosh, like I literally love it. I think this must be one of my favorite things I've ever made. I mean, that's a bold statement. But anyways, let's roll with the clips because I filmed as I made this, and I hope you enjoy. That. It's not like it's not that from here. Have you seen that one down there? I think there was that one we went to. No, it was my first time trying it. It was pretty good. My sister Gemma loved it. Progress is coming along. That's what I'm talking about. I'm so glad. I had actually such issues with doing the arm sleeve, like the arm bit, but I'm so glad I took it apart about 5 times because now look at it. It's not on, but I'm just holding it up to the camera. Periods. Okay, shall we go get something